Gran Canaria, an island where golden dunes flow with the wind, and the Atlantic strikes towering cliffs into dramatic shapes of stone. Born of fire millions of years ago, this volcanic jewel contains landscapes so varied they feel like many worlds living within one. The vast sands of Maspalomas stretch toward infinity, a desert beside the sea where every breeze carries echoes of old tales. Beyond the dunes, the coast hides secret coves, where turquoise waters and rugged rocks collide in a dazzling choreography of earth and ocean. Deeper inland, the whitewashed streets of terror, the cascading springs of Firgas, and the historic heart of Galdar unveil an island rooted in timeless tradition, each corner preserving a fragment of its spirit. From golden beaches to the craters of silent volcanoes, every turn uncovers something fierce, surprising, and untamed. Whether seeking thrill or calm, Gran Canaria promises a journey that lingers long after footsteps vanish in the sand. Which vision stirs you more? The boundless dunes or the restless sea? Share your thoughts in the comments. Or the roaring ocean? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe now and join us as we uncover the wonders of Gran Canaria, an island where every horizon holds a new discovery. Las Canteras Beach, the beating heart of Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, is a bustling seaside retreat where residents and travelers alike come to swim, unwind, and take in the coastal scenery. Stretching more than 3 kilometers, it ranks among the finest urban beaches in the world, and proudly holds the blue flag distinction for its pristine condition. A natural reef formation called La Barra shelters the shore, transforming the waters into a calm, aquarium-like setting, perfect for swimming and snorkeling. The coastline is divided into 3 main sections: Playa Grande, Playa Chica, and La Cicer, each with its own distinctive character. As evening falls, beachfront cafes and restaurants serve up Canarian specialties, wrapping the day in a vibrant blend of flavors, sea breezes, and city life. Playa Amadores, lying between Puerto Rico and Puerto Mogan on Gran Canaria's sunny southwest coast, is a dazzling stretch of white sand. The calm bay runs nearly 800 meters, its golden shore and glassy waters inviting for swimming, sunbathing, and leisurely dives. With a mild climate that holds steady from 18 degrees Celsius in winter to around 28 degrees Celsius in summer, it remains a favored spot all year long. First-time divers can practice safely in these waters, while seasoned ones encounter vibrant schools of roncador, barracuda, and the elusive angel shark. Outside the waves, the beach offers pure relaxation, framed by dramatic cliffs and bathed in generous sunshine. Whether diving or unwinding on the beach, Playa Amadores promises a memorable coastal escape. Anfi del Mar, a luxury resort on Gran Canaria's southwest coast in Arguineguin, is one of the island's most exclusive seaside retreats. Developed between 1993 and 2003, it showcases tropical gardens, a vibrant shopping center, and a modern marina with the space for 80 boats. Visitors of all ages can enjoy activities from kayaking and boat excursions to relaxing pedal boats, while the palm-fringed promenade connects to a lively plaza filled with restaurants, boutiques, and hotels. The island itself offers a quiet haven with sweeping views of the Atlantic, making Anfi del Mar an unforgettable coastal escape. While the palm-lined promenade leads to a central plaza with restaurants, shops, and hotels. The artificial island provides a peaceful escape with stunning ocean views, making Anfi del Mar the perfect getaway destination. Puerto de Mogan, a delightful coastal town in Gran Canaria, is admired for its mild climate and inviting golden sands. Nicknamed the Little Venice of the Canary Islands, its canals and arched bridges add to the town's postcard charm. It combines a laid-back elegance with the character of a long-standing fishing village. Both the old port and the modern marina are lined with shops, lively bars, and restaurants serving the freshest seafood. On Mondays and Fridays, the open-air market fills the streets with color and activity, while the coastal bus makes visiting nearby towns simple. Its beach, nestled in a protected bay, offers a calm waters and soft sand, making it an ideal spot for swimming. Wandering through the narrow cobbled lanes, travelers find blooming gardens, whitewashed facades, and stairways etched into the cliffs. Tejeda is a mountain village in the heart of Gran Canaria, embraced by dramatic peaks and sweeping landscapes. Close to Pico de las Nieves, the island's second highest summit, it provides breathtaking vistas of the famous Roque Nublo and Roque Bentega. Perched on the rim of the Caldera de Tejeda, an immense volcanic crater, the village reflects the island's remarkable geological history. Its past is alive in the ancient cave homes and sacred sites once used by the indigenous people. The region is equally admired for its beauty, with rugged cliffs and fertile valleys unfolding in every direction. Tejeda invites travelers who long to experience both cultural legacy and natural wonder. Telde, set along the eastern coast of Gran Canaria, is a town steeped in history and cultural depth. Once the island's first capital, it was home to the native inhabitants of Gran Canaria and became a focal point during the era of Spanish conquest. Today, it stands as the island's second-largest municipality, where the historic quarter still preserves the charm and character of its long past. With more than 100,000 residents, Telde lies within easy reach of Las Palmas, inviting visitors to explore a town where ancient heritage and modern life meet. Santa Ana Cathedral, also known as the Basilica of Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, rises as a defining landmark in the heart of Vegueta's historic quarter. Work on the cathedral began in the late 15th century, though one of its towers wasn't completed until the 20th, giving the structure an eclectic blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and neoclassical elements. After a destructive fire in 1949, it was carefully restored, consecrated by Pope Pius IX in 1874, and later declared a National Historic Artistic Monument. Climbing its tower provides sweeping vistas across Las Palmas, making the cathedral a destination where history and breathtaking scenery converge. The Church of San Juan Bautista in Arucas, Gran Canaria, stands as a remarkable landmark, so imposing that it is often mistaken for a cathedral. Constructed over the span of nearly 7 decades, from 1909 to 1977, it showcases Gothic Revival style through its soaring spires, ornate carvings, and dramatic facade. Carved from the island's own blackstone, the church reflects Arucas' long-standing bond with its stonecraft tradition. Each year, during Corpus Christi, its surroundings burst into color as streets are adorned with intricate carpets made of flowers and sawdust. Situated in northern Gran Canaria, Galdar is a town where centuries of history blend effortlessly with striking natural scenery. Once the island's Aboriginal capital, it preserves echoes of its indigenous roots, most famously at the Cueva Pintada, an extraordinary site showcasing prehistoric cave art. Nestled at the foot of a volcano, and only a short distance from the sea, the town is surrounded by fertile farmland where potatoes, tomatoes, and bananas thrive. At its heart lies the main square, bordered by colonial facades and dominated by the impressive Church of Santiago de Galdar, a symbol of its enduring heritage. Amid its volcanic backdrop, the town radiates tranquility and charm, drawing travelers seeking both authenticity and tradition. Its nearby banana plantations stretch across the rolling hills, creating a lush contrast to the rugged terrain. Exploring its archaeological treasures or relaxing by the coast, visitors can experience the rich history and diverse landscapes that define Galdar. Las Palmas de Gran Canaria, the island's capital and the largest city in the Canary Islands, shares its status with Santa Cruz de Tenerife. Established in 1478, it played a defining role in the archipelago's history, with the old quarter of Vegueta witnessing the earliest clashes and later evolving into the political and spiritual heart of the island. Christopher Columbus paused here in 1492, leaving behind a historic footprint that remains part of the city's identity. Today, Las Palmas thrives as a lively coastal hub where Spanish, African, Chinese, and Indian influences intertwine, creating a city alive with culture, color, and tradition. Agate, a picturesque town on Gran Canaria's northwestern coast, enchants visitors with its dramatic mix of ocean horizons, rugged cliffs, and fertile valleys. The streets are lined with whitewashed homes that stand out brightly against a backdrop stretching from the Atlantic shoreline to the island's towering peaks. With a proud maritime past, its harbor, Puerto de las Nieves, remains alive with the bustle of fishing boats and ferries crossing the waters. Along the waterfront, cafes and restaurants serve freshly caught seafood, offering a flavorful introduction to local cuisine. Just inland, the Agate Valley unfolds with tropical groves, terraced slopes, and stands of pine, creating a peaceful haven for those who love nature. Trails weave through dramatic gorges and lead to secluded beaches, revealing landscapes untouched by time. Whether wandering the historic town center, enjoying the calm of the sea, or exploring its verdant hills, Agate provides a true glimpse into the rich natural and cultural soul of Gran Canaria. Roque Saucillo, in Vega de San Mateo on Gran Canaria, is celebrated for both its striking landscapes and its scientific value. Here stands the Roque Saucillo Astronomy Center, the Canary Island's first urban observatory, which opened in 2010. Equipped with modern telescopes, the center hosts public stargazing events that welcome schools, locals, and travelers eager to uncover the wonders of the night sky. At 850 meters above sea level, the site also offers panoramic views across the mix of urban and rural scenery that surrounds it. Beyond its celestial role, the area is noted for its dramatic rock formations, Roque Saucillo and Roque de la Rama, prominent landmarks visible from many points across the island's northeast. Los Azulejos de Veneguera is a breathtaking geological wonder in Gran Canaria, where vibrant hues of blue, green, ochre, and red paint the mountainsides. These striking colors are the result of volcanic rocks, shaped over millennia by erosion and mineral-rich gases from ancient eruptions. While the hike up is short but steep, the stunning views at the top, including a natural viewpoint overlooking the colorful formations, make it a rewarding experience. For those who prefer a more leisurely visit, the landscape can also be admired from the roadside, especially at Fuente de los Azulejos. Terror. Set in the northern highlands of Gran Canaria, is a town rich in religious devotion and cultural tradition, framed by majestic mountain scenery. Renowned for its colonial charm, with whitewashed houses and finely carved wooden balconies, it rose to prominence as a pilgrimage site after a Marian vision in 1481. Each year on September 8th, crowds fill its streets to honor the Virgen del Pino, the island's patron saint, turning terror into a living celebration of faith and heritage. Fergus, perched in the northern mountains of Gran Canaria, is celebrated for its flowing springs and captivating scenery. Often called the Villa del Agua, thanks to its plentiful freshwater. The town's identity has been tied to water since its founding in 1488. That legacy endures today, with bottled water production remaining a key part of Fergus's economy. Paralillo Dam, set in the Tanara region of Las Palmas, Gran Canaria, is a tranquil reservoir embraced by dramatic natural scenery. Close to the village of Acusa Verde and the heights of Mesa del Junco Peak, it provides serene panoramas, particularly striking when the waters are at their fullest. As part of the UNESCO-recognized Risco Caído and the Sacred Mountains of Gran Canaria, the site offers a rare blend of breathtaking landscapes and profound cultural heritage. Roque Nublo is one of Gran Canaria's most iconic landmarks, standing at 1,813 meters above sea level. Formed by volcanic activity 14.5 million years ago, it is not only a natural wonder, but also a sacred site for the island's indigenous people. The first settlers, the Berbers, used this towering rock to worship Akaran, their celestial god, and to guide their way of life. Located in Tejeda, Roque Nublo offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape, including pine forests, wildflowers, and a breathtaking sea of clouds below. It has been a protected natural landmark since 1987. The rock's mystical beauty has inspired numerous artists, musicians, and writers, making it a symbol of Gran Canaria's soul. Visitors can experience the serenity and cultural significance of this remarkable site. Playa El Puertillo, a picturesque seaside village in Arucas, Gran Canaria, is celebrated for its black sand shoreline and calm, inviting atmosphere. Just a short drive from Las Palmas and Puerto de las Palmas, it provides a serene escape far from the bustle of the island's busier southern resorts. In earlier times, El Puertillo served as a modest port for fishing and salt production, with a history reaching back to the first chronicles of the island's conquest. Fishing still plays a vital role in the community today, and visitors can savor freshly caught seafood at nearby restaurants while enjoying the beauty of the coast.